guys, I traveled to Calabar and I was able to cook their Afang soup with my sister-in-law. So I'd like to show you how it all went. Please, we were not able to capture all the moments, but then we tried to do justice to it. So I'd like you to sit and relax and enjoy all of that drama. Okay? I'll see you guys. This is March.
Tilapia.
Now this is our
Is this sweet?
pomo.
Wait, let me bring it over here. Is it tasty?
This is our goat meat, and this is our momo for our afang soup. So we are getting set. So this is our tilapia fish. We are just about deboning it. We'll bring out all the bones in the fish before we'll make use of it. The stockfish, it's ready for use, and we're going to be using it for the soup. All right, so this is for our afang soup, and this is some of the ingredients we'll be using for the soup. Here is our tilapia fish. We are yet to debone it. We are going to debone it before we use it. And then this is our goat's meat. We're going to be using it. And also this is our stock fish, which we are going to also be using for this soup. And this is our pomo. We're going to be using it. So Afang soup is majorly a Calabar. People that stay in Calabar know Afang soup. Although it has become a staple soup for people in Nigeria, and we are just going to be exploring the soup to know how they prepare it and every other thing you need to know about Afang soup. Okay, stay tuned. Be right back. Okay, so here is our Afang, right? This is our Afang leaf, which we are still pounding. It's in the mortar and we are still pounding it. When it's ready, we're also going to be showing you, we normally pound it before we use it. So we're going to be using it alongside water leaf. Okay. All right. So this is the water leaf. It's fresh and it's just cut right now. Okay. It's well cut and it's very fresh, looking fresh, ready to be used. We are going to be using it alongside the afang leaf that we just pounded. Okay. So we're just getting ready. All right. So this is our afang leaf. Igbo people, we call it okazi leaf. And this is what we are going to be using for this afang soup for Calabar people. Now, this is a native soup for Calabar, and we're going to be exploring to know what it looks like, cooking it. Okay, so we're getting set. So here is the deboned tilapia fish. It's ready for use, and we're going to be making use of it. Wow. So we are ready. The meat is entering with the pomo and our stockfish. This is for the meat stock and it's going in first. Then we're going to be adding a little pepper. You need to be talking. It's your video, so you need to be talking. So be telling us what you're doing. It's fine.
Okay.
So what did you just add now?
I just added dry pepper.
Okay.
Yes.
So dried
So I'm
pepper.
about to add
Okay.
seasoning cubes.
So how many cubes are you adding?
I'm going to add just 2 cubes. Just
Okay.
to add salt.
Salt to taste, and we are good to go. Salt to taste, and we are good to go. Don't add too much salt. It's not so healthy, and we are good to go. All right. We added 1 cup of water into the stock, and we are still cooking. So that's it. So our stock is still boiling, and this is about 5 to 10 minutes. We're stirring it. Stir very well, and you add the isam to it. The isam is going in. Crayfish. Okay. So the fish. So we are going to be adding a little more cube to make it more flavorable. The salt to taste, and then oil. Calabar people like oil like Yoruba people. That's one thing I've observed. And so they add a little more oil. So we added the water leaf, the stockfish, the tilapia, the bonefish, the isam, okay, oil, and the seasoning cube. So every other thing will follow suit. So this is our isam, how it looks now, and we are not done yet, but this is what it looks like right now. So as you can see, there's oil right there. There, go from there. So they add more oil. That's Calabar people. They put more oil to their. So they're adding
Little bit
this
of
pepper, right?
yeah, dry pepper.
So more pepper. I think Calabar people have something with Yoruba people
Is it
with
about the
pepper
pepper?
and
It's not.
the
You have
oil, red oil. You guys love it a lot. So I think you guys have some correlation around that. So this is what our Isam looks like right
some
now.
Afang too.
Sorry, our Afang, don't mind me. This is what it looks like right now. We're almost there. We're almost there. Just getting ready to add the final ingredients to it. As you can see, it's bubbling, it's boiling, boiling, and boiling, boiling. So we allow it boil for a few minutes, like about 5 minutes, and before we add our afang, That is the oziza leaf that is pounded.
This is our cousin.
Sorry, okazi leaf. Sorry, okazi leaf that is pounded, and this is what makes the afang the afang. This is the real afang because Calabar people calls oziza.
Okazi.
Oh, sorry, okazi. They call it afang. Okazi leaf is afang in Calabar. So this is what the afang looks like right now. And we are done. So we'll dish it when it's ready. But our afang is already boiling. And we just leave it for a few minutes to steam and that's it. Ta-da! Our afang is done and we will serve it once it's ready. So drop a comment, let us know what you think. Is the oil healthy? It's the so much pepper. Is it healthy? So let's know what you think about this Calabar people afang soup. I'll see you in the comment section. Bye for now. So our afang, so our afang soup is ready. Here is it. About to eat some of it.